Welcome back to KTN Business Today. Now, KCB Group shareholders today approved to acquire 100% of the issued ordinary shares of National Bank of Kenya via share swap. This approval followed the offer made by KCB Group on April 18, 2019 to acquire 10 ordinary shares of NBK for every 1 ordinary share of KCB. The transaction is subject to regulatory and NBK shareholders' approvals. This acquisition is part of KCB's ongoing strategy to explore opportunities for new growth.
Further consolidate the banking sector in Kenya and create stronger institutions while accelerating the group's growth ambitions and enhance value to all our stakeholders. We see this as an important avenue of growing our balance sheet size, tapping synergy on cost savings, and driving the overall business profitability.
So in our report, our market share, we remain the leading market share financial institutions here by 15% market share in terms of the deposits, 17% market share in terms of our loans and advances. And I think that continues to grow in the last few years. And as you see changes in the industry, and the chairman spoke earlier about the consolidations and the initiative we see, I think it's something to recommend that we've remained strong in defending our market share.